Welcome to LearnDaddy.com. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to project a plane. So इस tutorial में हम सीखेंगे कैसे हम project करते हैं plane को. So let's start. So we are going to start with the creating new document. Simply we are going to click OK. So as you can see, we are on the design workbench. So let's start with the selecting plane and click on sketch. So quickly we are going to draw a sketch using the profile tool. Okay, so our sketch is ready. Simply we are going to exit this workbench and we are going to extrude it up to 50 mm, and now we are going to press OK. So our sketch is extruded. Now we are going to talk about the how to project a plane. Simply we are using the plane to draw a sketch. But if अगर हम बात करें कि हमें एक sketch draw करना है but at some distance from this face, so we need a extra plane. So as you can see in the design tree, there are three planes xy, yz and zx. But if we want extra planes to work, so how we gonna do it? So let's learn how we gonna do this. Simply we are going to main menu and you can see there is option of shape. Simply we are going to click on generative shape design. I'm simply clicking on it and now we are on the generative shape design workbench. So you can see the options: quick select, sketch, point, line and plane. So we are going to use the plane. So I'm going to click on it and now you can see it asks for the plane type, reference. It automatically took the reference and now you can provide the offset distance. I am going to simply provide it to 50. Okay, and if you want to repeat, okay, you can repeat it, press OK. So now you can see we have created the plane. But if we want extra plane, we are going to simply click on it and you can see we have selected this plane and OK. And now we are going to create the multiple planes. Okay, so now we are going to sketch on this plane. Simply we are going to expand the design tree. You can see we have created the plane 1, plane 2 and plane 3. Now let's go to part design. Okay, so now we are in the design workbench, part design. So we can work on this plane. Simply I am going to click on it and sketch. So we can sketch on this plane. Let's exit. You can work on this plane, select this plane and sketch. And exit. So this is how we work on the planes and how this is how we insert the planes into our geometry. So I hope you understand this and like this video. So thank you.